What's happening, everyone? It's Peter here. Hey, I am really excited to let you know that I actually wrote a book recently called Just the Essential Disney Hacks. And I wrote it for my friends who are going to Disney World with their kids for the first time. I'm a big Disney fan. Now, there are many Disney hacks, from how to get cheese on fries to clubs that you can't get into to secret rooms to getting in lines to all sorts of stuff. But what I wanted to do was just curate the most important hacks, the ones that we really need to get a great deal when booking our trip to Disney, and then also give us some great deals and a nice experience while we're at Disney. And so I just put together just the essential Disney hacks, because I know a lot of us as working parents are really busy. We don't have time to immerse ourselves in all of the little things. So these are just the hacks to get you there and then have an awesome time at a cheap price. So if you want to pick up this book, I am super excited that the ebook is available right now for free for the next 24 hours. So it's not going to last long. Even if you don't have time to read it now, go and download it, please. If you would be so kind to leave me a review or just give me a little star rating on Amazon, that would be super helpful too. Obviously, no obligation, but I'm really hoping that this helps people. Maybe you have kids that are thinking about going to Disney. Maybe you have friends that are thinking about going to Disney, or maybe you are thinking about it. Hopefully, this book is very helpful. And this guy really wants to go too. So please download this book. I hope it gets you the magical trip you're looking for. I'll see you later.